Need a repair? Pickup service available across Australia. See description. In this detailed tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the base and coupling of your Thermomix TM31. First, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for maintenance. To begin, unplug your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety before any repairs. Once that's done, flip the unit over to access the base. Here, you will find the screws that hold the base in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove the 4 screws located at the corners of the base. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe location. They are essential for reassembly. Next, gently lift the base off. You may notice some dust and debris. It's a good opportunity to clean the internal components. Use your clean cloth to wipe down any visible areas without using harsh chemicals that could damage the device. If you're not comfortable with the internal cleaning, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your appliance runs smoothly. Once you've cleaned the interior, it's time to focus on the coupling. The coupling can sometimes wear down and cause issues with blending, so it's wise to replace it periodically. To do this, you'll need to locate the coupling, which is the part that connects the blending jug to the motor. Remove the coupling by unscrewing the screws using your flathead screwdriver. If you find this process challenging, don't worry. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your Thermomix serviced without the hassle of traveling. After removing the old coupling, take the new coupling and position it where the old one was. Insert and tighten the screws securely. Always ensure the screws are not overly tight. This can lead to damage. Now that the coupling is in place, it's time to reassemble the base. Align the base plate with the body of the Thermomix and replace the 4 screws you removed earlier. This part of the process might take a bit of patience, so take your time to ensure everything is lined up correctly. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make this easy for you by offering a full quote before repair, should you need professional help. Lastly, ensure everything is secured. Check that your Thermomix is free from any disconnected parts and give it a final wipe down for good measure. Once you've checked everything, plug in your TM31 and perform a quick test to make sure it operates smoothly. If all is well, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the base and coupling of your Thermomix TM31. Need a repair? Pickup service available across Australia. See description.